Hello together. My name is Murian-Coush Addem, and today small video about how to use the Chrome. We have Chrome already here open in our service, and the thing now is how to open all the recently opened tabs in the Chrome after we closed it. And there were some people that approached me on that, so let's just jump right into. We can of course use tabs like this and uh, start even more tabs in a way, so you can maybe think about it, and then at some point you might do this and all the tabs is gone. So how to restore all of the tabs, because if you open the Chrome, sometimes you might think, oh okay, all my tabs is gone, what happened? And so let me show you for example a use case for that. So if we do another window, and now we close this tab in the back. So now how we get it back? The thing is, we go to the history, and then we see here the recent tabs, and you can also see here my restore window, and then you have here some more, and if we do this now, we have all of the windows before. So Chrome is kind of yeah, remembering those kind of stuff very well. So yeah, I hope you were using this as help, and yeah, see you in the next video. Bye.